How to use standby letter of credit to import goods on credit basis. Are you looking to import bulk goods from overseas to meet the emerging demand of the product in the local market? Are you facing shortage of funds to pay the supplier for the supplied goods? How good it would be if the supplier is ready to supply the goods on the credit basis. Yes, now you can import goods from overseas suppliers on credit basis by giving a kind of payment assurance in terms of providing standby letter of credit. Issuing standby letter of credit gives assurance to your supplier that the buyer will make the payment on the due date without any default. It also guarantees that, in case of any default, the bank is liable to meet the financial commitment of the buyer, as agreed in the contract. Since banks act as the guarantor by providing the required payment guarantee, suppliers are mostly ready to supply the goods to the buyer's destination port on credit basis if the buyer is ready to provide SBLC MT760. Do you require standby L.L.C. to import goods from overseas on credit basis? Submit your requirements to us. We can facilitate the issuance of standby letter of credit from European banks at zero collateral. To know more about our SBLC issuance process, email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 971-455-19699. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.